Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H7 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily reinsert the battery. So, at first we have to go into our left earbud. Now we have to pull the switch over here. Now, as you can see, we can open our battery case and we have to pull our headphones down. Now, as you can see, we have our battery there. To insert it back, we have to go into this orientation and just reinsert it straight back. Now we have to close it and pull this switch again. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.